Hello everyone, welcome to these tutorials of R programming. Before we get started, let us look at how to download R. Firstly, go to Google and type R download, and when you get that, click on the first link, and I think this is the link that you should be clicking. Alright, you click this link and your file will be ready to download. As I've already have it downloaded in my file, I'm just cancelling it right now. And now coming to something that runs over it, or an interface that you need to run R language, is generally called as Rstudio. So I say download Rstudio, and the first link again from rstudio.com. Don't worry, the links will be right there in the description, so make sure you check that out. And once I click that, I go to the free version of it, the desktop version. Okay, click on download, and it'll ask you for which type of system you're using. So mine is Windows, so I have downloaded this version of it. So you can choose based on the OS that you have. Alright, once you click on this, your file will be ready to download again. I'm cancelling this. So you first run this file, and then we run the Rstudio. So once both of them are run, you can go to your main menu and type R, and there it pops up Rstudio. Once you open that, you have an interface with 4 blocks which will appear in a little while. Have patience, do not click on anything else. So this is how the clean interface would look like. Don't mind about anything that I've done now. Alright, so this is basically the interface, and this part where I have my mouse now is a place where you'll be executing your code, and this is the console where your output will be seen, and here is your environment. Alright, we'll look at each one of them in detail. Firstly, I'll explain you how Rstudio actually looks like. This is called the ribbon of Rstudio. Alright, you go file, edit, everything is here. We'll look about each of its uses in the further lessons whenever we get the use of it. And as I've told you, this is the console where you'll be looking at the output. So generally, if I say 1 plus 2, alright, so you can see in the console it gives me an output 3. At the same time, I can give the same code here, 1 plus 2, which gives me 3. So in the next video, as we have set up everything, we'll get started with Rstudio right in. Thanks for watching.